position yourself, take that moment, just enjoy the Friday. Everything is beautiful, relaxing, wonderful, and Texas weather could be a little bit challenging. It is only April, but it's already getting pretty warm. During the day it's a little bit hotter, so we are going to go more and explore this area. Catch it now. I am right. All right, that's how it looks. I'm trying to show you the whole area. The birds singing. This is how it looks. The historical place, the Pearl. A lot of different restaurants here. And the buildings. So finally we got a little bit breeze. People walking a lot here. Have some food and then keep discovering more. And right now we are walking, passing by all kind of different restaurants, and we are going, the birds, we are going deeper. Here is absolutely amazing, beautiful buildings. You can see the sign of the springs because it's the beginning of the April and the trees coming alive. Here is some unique planting of flowers. Oh wow, kind of rustic. Not many places you can see. Next to restaurant. Some floors is very interesting to walk. And some of the places here in the Pearl, you kind of between the walls. It's actually very interesting. That's how one side look. And this is the tall building going to the sky. And another side is the stores. Very pretty, fresh. I finally found some place for little breeze. And keeping more walking to discover what else is on the tour. Alright, this is also absolutely pretty, beautiful walk to another part. Everything is blue and smells and feels good. And the Pearl attached to the river walk. So if we looking farther to that area, we can see part of river walk. I found just for you some unique place. Look, it's all alive. They are real and beautiful. All the green colors. Behind me, it's a whole another world. We are going to see to the middle. Now we are going to take stairs to the first floor. Alright, some exercise involved. Just a little bit. It's like in that song, walking to the stairs. Here are some amazing sounds of nature. It's amazing how nature can be so beautiful. And the birds all are here, swimming, flying. and singing. All incredible beauty of the nature, and of course water. There we go. They became stars, and over there in the front we see some fountains. Beautiful day. All kind of different green and flowers in the water. Some really unique things you won't see daily anywhere. I guess it's a root of this tree. And of course the beauty right here is a waterfall. Listening to it, how amazing it is.